Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. I am Naveed Ahmed. Today in this video I will show you how you can create custom footer like this with Elementor. So to create it, go to your WordPress dashboard and then we need to have a plugin which is Elements Kit. Go to your Elements Kit plugin and then go to header and footer. After that, click here on add new template. Write the name of your template. After that, set the type and set the condition for entire website and activate this template. Save the changes. Now click here on this edit button and click here on edit content. Now click here on this plus icon. Choose a flex box with 2 columns. After that, go to content width and set the width to full width. Now go to style and set the background type to classic and choose an image for your background. Now scroll down and set the position and display size. After that, go to advanced and unlink the margin and padding. Now set the padding from top to 55 and same for bottom. Set the padding from right and left to 25. After setting the padding, click here on this plus icon. Drag a heading over here. Write your text. Go to style. Go to color and set the color to white. Go to typography and set the size to 75 and set the weight to 700. Now click here on this plus icon and drag a button under heading. Now go to style and go to background color and set it to transparent. And scroll down and set the border type to solid. Set the border width to 2 pixels. After that, click here on this plus icon and search for carousel. Drop the image carousel in this container. Now we need to add some images. After adding the images, scroll down and go to slide to scroll and set it to 4. And after that, go to navigation and set it to none. Now go to style and go to spacing and set it to custom. And after that, go to border type and set it to solid and set the border width to 2 pixels and set the border color to white. Now, as you can see that we have completed this section of our footer, but we need to add some space from left and right side. For that, go to your Elementor page and click here on the container and add some padding like 50 from right side and 50 from left side. After that, click here on publish. Now, if you check our demo, in our demo, the second section is of a logo, social icon, and we have about us content and menu, and we also have a gallery. So to create it, go to your Elementor page, click here on this plus icon, go to Flexbox and choose a Flexbox with 3 column and 2 rows. After that, go to content width and set it to full width. And now go to style and go to background type and set the background type. Choose the image for your background. After that, go to position and set it to center and set the display size to cover. Now we need to go to advanced and unlink the margin and padding. We need to add some padding from top, bottom and left and right side. We need to add padding 75 from top and 75 from bottom and 35 from left and right. After adding the padding, go to style again, scroll down and go to background overlay and then go to background type to gradient. Now for setting the color of our background overlay, we need to take the color from our demo, go to the demo and set the secondary color and then set the primary color. After that, we also need to set the location to 50 and set the type to radial and need to set the opacity to 0.9. Now click here on this plus icon and drag a image over here. Choose the logo. After setting the logo, click here on this plus icon and search for social icon. Drag the social icons. And now we need to set the color of our social icons. Click here on Facebook and set the color to white. We also need to set the border type to solid and border width to 1 pixel and border color to white with some transparency. After setting the social icon, as you can see in our demo, we have a line divider. So to create it, click here on this plus icon and drag a divider. After adjusting the divider, set the divider width to 85, set it to center, go to style and set the color to white and set it to transparent. Now after creating the divider, we need to create the about us text. Click here on this plus icon and drag a heading over here. change the text to about us. Go to style, change the color to white or to typography, set it to 24, and after creating it, click here on this pencil icon and duplicate it. Now click here, and now we need to take the data from our demo. Paste the text here, go to style, and go to typography and set the size to 18, and go to line height and set it to 35. After that, go to text color again and set it to transparent. Now after creating it, click here on this plus icon, drag a heading and change the text to menu. Then go to style, set the color to white, go to typography and set the size to 24. After that, click here on this plus icon and search for icon list. Drag the icon list under menu. Now we need to change the list item name. Delete the icon for each item. After creating the menu items, go to style and go to text and set the color of items to white. Go to typography and set the size to 18. Go to weight and set the weight to 700. After that, if we see our demo, in our demo we have another menu for services. So to create it, go to your Elementor page, click here on this column and duplicate it. Now we need to set the width of each column. We need to set the width of each column to 25%. So after setting the width, click here again and change the text to services and click here on the menu. And here we need to change the menu names. After that, go to style and go to text and add some transparency to our text color. Same we need to set for our main menu. So after doing this, for the last column, click here on this plus icon, drag a heading, write the text, go to style and set the color to white and go to typography and set the size to 24. Now click here on this pencil icon and duplicate it. Click here on this pencil icon again. Go to our demo, copy the text, change the text, go to style and go to typography and set the size to 18. We also need to change the line height to 35. Now go to text color and add some transparency. After that, we need to add the gallery section. For this, click here on this plus icon and search for gallery. Drag the basic gallery. After that, click here and add some images. Now go to style and set the gap to custom, and set the border type to solid, and set the border width to 2 pixel, and change the border color to white. Now after doing this, click here on the publish button. Go to preview page and refresh your page. Scroll down. As you can see, we need to add some padding here after the divider. Click here on the divider, go to advanced, add unlink the margin and padding, and add some padding from bottom. After that, click here on the publish button. Go to preview page and refresh your page. Now you can see that in this way we have created a beautiful custom footer with Elementor. So if you like our video, kindly share the video with your friends, subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video.